I'm holding 3 keys to 3 incredibly unique G-Wagons, and one of them you've never seen before.
I'm not only going to show you a brand new configuration of the vintage G series that is ready and available for sale here in Phoenix, Arizona, but I'm also going to take you behind the scenes with me to let you get a good look and see what it actually takes to build these beautiful vintage G-Wagons.
Formally introducing to you Carlex Vintage Moss. There are so many details and reasons why this car is so special. Not only is this one of the first vintage mosses ever created, especially here in the United States, you have a gloss green finish with matte black paint on the top, which is incredibly hard to do, and it turned out amazing. All of the black chrome, keeping all of the vintage styling. The chrome stripe wrapping around this car like you see on all of the other vintage configurations. This G63 is available right now for immediate delivery here in Phoenix, Arizona. We are authorized dealers for Carlex. We have built multiple of their cars and have multiple available right now. In order to make this car, we got a regular G63 from the factory that was finished in a matte black paint. We had to sand and prep everything, mask off the top and bottom of the car, and put the green on top of this. To put a gloss paint next to a matte on a fine line that's not hidden from a body line is incredibly hard to do. The interior of this car is just as breathtaking as the exterior, so let's take a look at what's inside. You can notice all of these same materials and styling in all the other Carlex G-Wagons. You have the basket woven leather inserts, wool on the center console, wool on all of the pillars and the roof of the car. Since this is a darker colored car, we do have a gloss black finish across the middle. You also have the Carlex logo in chrome on the inside. All of the buttons are still chrome, keeping the vintage theme. You can notice all of the logos in the seats, the center console, as well as the dashboard. You also see their logos in the door sills, floor mats, absolutely everywhere. This interior is incredibly bespoke and super specific to this car. Check out what Carlex did in the back of this G-Wagon. So much has changed from your regular G63 from the factory. Every Carlex G-Wagon comes with this black case, and inside of that black case is a book. Inside of the book is all of the different builds and the history of Carlex, all of the details up close and personal, so you can get a nice look at what Carlex has to offer. You also have your book of authenticity. There are G-Wagons on the market right now that are being made as replicas. When you order and buy a G-Wagon from us, you should have no doubt in mind that these cars are true Carlex vehicles. And inside of this book is the Carlex official stamp as well as the VIN number, making it without a doubt an original Carlex vehicle. You also get this beautiful key cover for your car in case you don't want to scratch your key, and also have your key match the interior. When you're hauling any luggage back here, you have this safety mat that is in this nice thick leather that will protect all of the wood that is underneath that you also see on the back of the seats. If you want to put this up, there's pins you put in both sides, and the protection mat is nicely suspended. And with that mat up, check out all of the beautiful colored wood in the back here, really giving off that vintage style and that vintage look, completing the car. If you'd like to see more pictures and descriptions of this beautiful Carlex vintage moss, go to our website, createabespoke.com. We have all of our inventory, all of the G-Wagons that we have for sale, all of the pictures and descriptions on there. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that we have other G-Wagons being made. We have about 4 more in production right now, with a couple more on the way. I'm gonna take you guys with me in the shop here. I'm gonna take you around every single G-Wagon because they're all at different steps in the process, and show you the behind the scenes, because the finished result is beautiful, but the amount of work that goes unseen behind the scenes needs to be unscathed, needs to be seen, and it's a very cool process, and I can't wait to show you guys. The first step in the process is the teardown. This G63 you see in front of me here is completely dismantled on the outside as well as the inside. This car is a complete skeleton right now, bone dry, no interior, no exterior, and that's because every single G-Wagon that hits the shop right away gets taken apart, wrapped up, and shipped to Poland. And while all of the parts that we wrapped up from this G-Wagon and all the other G-Wagons are in Poland, we do all of the prep and body work on the outside. So while the interior is in Poland, that gives us time to completely tear these cars down, sand and prep the exterior for the new color combination like you see over in the showroom over there. And by the time the interior gets flown all the way from Poland back to Arizona, these cars should be done on the exterior, so that when we reinstall the exterior, we can also reinstall the interior as well.
The time is now ticking. Every single time we ship out the interior, we need to make sure that we get the exterior ready and done so that by the time when the interior comes back, we're not waiting on anything so that these cars can get rebuilt and ready for the showroom. So step number 2 is prep and body. These cars get put out into the backyard where all of our sanding and prep work for all of our cars, not just the G-Wagons, get done so that the inside of the shop stays nice and clean. Without a doubt, we have to put this outside because of the amount of sanding that needs to be done. To do this properly, Carlex has you take off absolutely everything, the doors off the hinges, because you have to repaint absolutely everything. The door jambs, underneath all of the body panels, to make sure that there's no original color showing. So every single time a G-Wagon gets built, all the doors come off, all of the handles, all the hinges, every single seal on the car comes off so that everything can be sanded and repainted the new color. But after multiple days of hard work, when all of the prep is done outside back, these cars are pushed back inside of the shop using wheel dollies because there's no interior. We can now prep the car for step 3, paint.
Easily the most important process. Step number 3 is paint. Now that everything is officially completely prepped, everything is completely stripped off, we need to make sure that everything is masked so that when all of these parts enter the booth, including the entire car, because we need to do literally everything, we need to make sure that all of this white gets covered into the new color that this car is going to be. But this car was out back, it got completely prepped. The doors then have to come off because we have to paint everything underneath all of the seals. Every little piece and corner of this car gets repainted to make sure that there's no exposed white. That is the proper way to do it, and that is how Carlex needs you to do it. For each individual Carlex car, we get given a sample just like this one that we have to match here in-house to make sure that the color comes out exactly how Carlex designed it.
Once we have the color completely dialed in, then we can focus on all of the prep. Once everything is officially taped and masked off, we can then put everything inside of the paint booth. This is where the G-Wagon spends majority of its time. This is a very tedious process that needs to be done correctly to save time on the back end. This is a multiple step process that takes several days to complete.
Being able to keep everything in-house is very, very nice. You get to control variables, make sure that the same hands are touching the same cars,
which always leads to a better finished product. With these cars, there's no room for error.
This specific G-Wagon is going to be the first icon here in the United States. It's going to be a 1 of 3 configuration. Worldwide, this is going to be the only US allocation that is going to be for sale. All the vintage cars are not numbered, but all of the icons are going to be 1 of 3. And once they're sold out,
you will never be able to get this same configuration built again.
After all of the G-Wagons are officially completed and done with the painting process, they are brought into one of our 3 light tunnels here at the shop. These are our assembly bays where all of the cars get built here at Creative Bespoke, G-Wagon or not. We have every single piece on the exterior painted and ready for reassembly. And like I mentioned earlier, when we do the exterior and we're painting and prepping, it gives Carlex over in Poland the time in order to do the interior and then ship that back to us so that when we're done with the exterior job, all of the interior gets here at the exact same time, which is very convenient for us, which makes it a lot easier to pump out a lot more G-Wagons for all of our clients, have a bigger inventory, more colors to choose from, more configurations. But right now we have all of the interior pieces laid out. As you can see, this beautiful blue color paired with the wood that you see in all of the Carlex G-Wagons, all of the chrome and silver accents to keep that vintage theme, brand new front and rear bumpers. This specific configuration has black chrome, which is going to look so good around the entire car. All G-Wagons get brand new exhaust tips, these vintage style Carlex branded exhaust tips look amazing and they sound really good, but the details to all of these G-Wagons do not stop there. Check this out. This is a key replacement on the back, just like the factory Rolls-Royce do. We have a Carlex branded key fob that looks amazing. You have this key cover that this slides directly into so that when you're holding this, your key is nice and protected. It also matches the interior. When I open the interior, you can see all we have right now is the center console, the dashboard, and the steering wheel. We just got the driver's seat put in here and we have some other interior pieces going in as of right now. We always keep the dashboard and the center console in the car. To make these cars drivers without any interior in there, these cars are immobile, so we have to put them on rollers. It makes it so much easier moving these cars around the shop because everything is in-house, which means we have to make the cars move around the shop. They can't stay in one spot, especially with all of the volume and other cars that we have going on at the same time. Having the dashboard, center console, and steering wheel in makes this car a driver, which makes this so much easier to move around. But in just a couple short days here, the guys will finish putting the exterior back on this car, and we will do a grand reveal of this car on our Instagram with a nice cover poll. If you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure you're following us on Instagram over at Creative Bespoke, where we post all of our finished and behind the scenes work. If you like what you see here on YouTube, you can get a nice summarized version of that on our Instagram and TikTok at Creative Bespoke on both of them. When this one is complete, we will put it in the showroom next to the other 3 that we have available for sale here at Creative Bespoke. This one is the Fiamma Vintage, Moss Vintage, as well as the Rose Vintage. All 3 available in 3 different colors, 3 different styles for very unique 3 different people. If you're interested in any of these G-Wagons, feel free to email us at info@creativebespoke.com, or you can call our direct number to get prices. If you have any questions about the builds, if you want to see any of the details up close and personal, because in every single Carlex G-Wagon, there are so many small and tiny details that go unnoticed, down to all the wool that's on the seats, the very fluffy floor mats, the complete color swap inside and out. These cars are truly special, and they're meant to be seen in person.